Most people believe the body rests completely during sleep. They imagine that once the lights are off and the eyes are closed, everything inside slows down and becomes quiet. But the truth is very different. While you sleep, your blood continues moving through thousands of tiny vessels, carrying oxygen, nutrients, and chemical signals that keep your organs alive. And what you drink before bed may influence that process more than most people realize. There are 10 hidden changes that may happen inside the bloodstream overnight, and many people experience them without ever noticing the early signs. Some of these changes are helpful, while others may quietly create pressure inside the body over time. Stay with me, because the later changes, especially the final ones, are the ones many people ignore until symptoms appear. A woman once mentioned that she began drinking clove water at night because she heard it might support circulation. At first, she noticed nothing unusual, but after several weeks, she started waking up feeling slightly different, lighter in the morning, less heavy in her body. She didn't think much of it at first, but that small shift made her curious about what might have been happening inside her blood while she slept. Blood is not just a simple liquid flowing through the body. It is a living system filled with cells, proteins, and nutrients that constantly respond to what you eat and drink. During the night, when the body enters rest mode, the bloodstream begins performing quiet maintenance. Waste products are removed, tissues are repaired, and damaged cells are replaced. These nighttime processes are more active than most people imagine. Clove water has been discussed in many traditional practices because of its natural compounds that interact with circulation. These compounds are believed to support blood movement through vessels, helping the bloodstream flow more smoothly. When blood flows freely, oxygen delivery improves, and tissues receive the support they need during the body's repair phase. But here is something many people overlook. Blood circulation slows slightly during sleep because the body is not moving as much as it does during the day. This slower movement makes nighttime one of the most important periods for internal balance. If circulation becomes inefficient during these hours, waste products may linger longer than they should. Another important factor involves the thickness of blood. When the body becomes slightly dehydrated overnight, blood may become more concentrated. Thicker blood moves more slowly through narrow vessels, increasing pressure inside delicate pathways. Maintaining proper hydration and balanced circulation helps prevent unnecessary strain on the cardiovascular system. This is where many people make a common mistake. They assume that drinking clove water once or twice will create dramatic results. In reality, the bloodstream responds to patterns, not sudden changes. Consistent habits are what gradually influence how efficiently blood moves through the body over time. There is also an important connection between blood quality and morning energy levels. Many people wake up feeling tired, even after several hours of sleep. Sometimes, this fatigue is not caused by lack of sleep itself, but by how efficiently oxygen moves through the bloodstream overnight. When circulation remains stable, the body wakes with more balanced energy. And this is where things become even more interesting, because the first noticeable changes linked to blood circulation are not always felt in the chest or heart. Some of the earliest signs appear in areas many people ignore: the hands, the feet, and even the skin. In the next part, we will explore how clove water may influence circulation in these outer areas and why small changes in temperature and sensation may reveal what is happening inside the blood. One of the earliest places where blood circulation changes become noticeable is not inside the chest, but in the outer parts of the body. The hands and feet often act like warning signals for what is happening deeper inside the bloodstream. Many people notice cold hands or feet at night and assume it's simply because of room temperature, but sometimes it reflects how efficiently blood is moving through smaller vessels during rest. A man once mentioned that his feet always felt unusually cold when he lay down at night. He ignored it for years, assuming it was normal. But over time, the cold feeling became more frequent, even when the room was warm. It wasn't until he improved his hydration and evening habits that he noticed his feet gradually felt warmer. That small change revealed how sensitive circulation can be during the night. Blood vessels in the hands and feet are narrower than those closer to the heart. Because of this, even slight changes in blood thickness or pressure can affect how much warmth reaches these areas. When blood moves smoothly, warmth spreads evenly. But when flow becomes sluggish, these outer areas may feel cold or slightly numb. Clove water has been traditionally used as a warm beverage because of its naturally stimulating properties. Some natural compounds found in cloves are believed to support blood movement by encouraging gentle vessel activity. This effect may help improve the distribution of warmth throughout the body during nighttime rest. Another factor that affects nighttime circulation is body position. When you lie down, blood redistributes throughout the body. This shift can increase pressure in certain areas while reducing flow in others. If circulation is already weak or uneven, lying still for long hours may exaggerate these changes. Many people overlook the importance of evening routines. Drinking very little fluid before bed, eating heavy meals late at night, or remaining inactive throughout the day may influence how blood flows during sleep. These small habits accumulate over time and shape how efficiently circulation works overnight. There's also a connection between circulation and skin appearance. Some individuals notice dull skin tone or slower healing of minor cuts. While these signs may seem unrelated to blood health, they often reflect how effectively nutrients are delivered through tiny vessels beneath the skin. One mistake many individuals make is ignoring these small external signals. Cold fingers, tingling sensations, or slight discoloration may seem harmless at first, but repeated patterns may indicate that circulation needs support before more noticeable symptoms appear. Temperature regulation during sleep also plays a role. When circulation improves, the body maintains more stable temperature throughout the night. This stability helps prevent sudden chills or overheating that disrupt restful sleep. And this leads us to another important discovery: how blood flow affects oxygen delivery to vital organs while you sleep. In the next part, we will explore how clove water may influence oxygen levels overnight, and why morning fatigue may reveal hidden changes in the bloodstream. Oxygen is one of the most important elements carried by blood. Every cell in the body depends on it to produce energy and maintain function. During sleep, oxygen delivery becomes especially important because the body shifts into repair mode. Without steady oxygen supply, tissues may struggle to restore themselves properly. A woman once shared that she woke up each morning feeling unusually tired, even after sleeping for 8 hours. She believed stress was the only cause. But after adjusting her evening hydration and adding warm herbal drinks to her routine, she noticed gradual changes in how she felt upon waking. Her mornings became clearer, and her fatigue slowly decreased. Blood carries oxygen via hemoglobin in red blood cells. Smooth circulation ensures oxygen efficiently reaches all TSUs. Sluggish blood flow can slow oxygen delivery, leaving tissues undersupported. Clove contains natural compounds known for warming and stimulating qualities. These compounds may support gentle circulation, aiding consistent oxygen travel. Subtle, yet repeated use may support more balanced oxygen distribution. Another factor influencing oxygen delivery is breathing quality. During deep sleep, breathing patterns change, affecting how oxygen enters the bloodstream. Poor airflow or shallow breathing may reduce oxygen absorption, placing additional strain on circulation. Morning headaches are sometimes connected to reduced oxygen supply during the night. While not always dangerous, repeated headaches may signal that oxygen levels fluctuated during sleep. Supporting steady circulation helps maintain consistent oxygen flow. Many people assume fatigue comes only from lack of sleep. But sometimes, fatigue results from how efficiently blood transported oxygen throughout the body overnight. When oxygen delivery improves, morning alertness often improves as well. One overlooked factor is bedroom ventilation. Poor air circulation may reduce oxygen availability in enclosed spaces. Fresh airflow supports healthy breathing and helps maintain balanced oxygen levels. Physical activity during the day also supports nighttime oxygen flow. Movement stimulates circulation, strengthening the heart's ability to pump efficiently during rest. And this brings us to another hidden factor: how blood pressure changes overnight, and why some people wake feeling pressure in their head or chest. In the next part, we will explore how clove water may interact with nighttime blood pressure patterns. While you sleep, the body begins one of its most important jobs: repair. Tiny injuries in muscles, skin, and internal tissues are restored during rest. This process depends heavily on blood-carrying nutrients to damaged areas. A woman once noticed that small cuts on her hands seemed to take longer to heal than before. She assumed it was simply aging. But after improving hydration and maintaining consistent evening routines, she observed gradual improvement in healing time. That small change showed how closely blood flow is linked to recovery. Blood carries vitamins, minerals, and proteins to tissues that need repair. When circulation slows, these nutrients arrive later than expected. Over time, delayed delivery may affect how quickly the body heals. Clove water has been used in many traditional settings because of its aromatic compounds. These compounds are believed to support digestive and circulatory balance, allowing nutrients to move more efficiently through the bloodstream. Another factor influencing tissue repair is sleep quality. Interrupted sleep reduces the time available for recovery processes to complete. Many people underestimate how deeply repair depends on uninterrupted rest. Nutrition also plays a role. Foods rich in vitamins support blood quality and help deliver necessary building blocks to tissues. One common mistake is staying awake late into the night regularly. This shortens the window available for natural repair cycles. Physical fatigue during the day also influences nighttime recovery. Gentle activity improves circulation, preparing the body for efficient repair during sleep. Morning stiffness sometimes reflects incomplete repair processes from the previous night. And this brings us to another important factor, how blood removes waste products during sleep. In the next part, we will explore how clove water may influence detoxification and waste removal overnight. During the day, the body produces waste as cells perform their functions. These waste products must be removed to keep tissues healthy. The bloodstream plays a major role in transporting waste toward organs that eliminate it. A man once noticed that he often woke feeling heavy and sluggish in the morning. He believed it was simply fatigue. But after improving hydration and supporting nighttime routines, he began noticing lighter mornings and better energy levels. Waste removal depends on steady blood movement. If circulation slows, waste products may remain longer than necessary, increasing internal strain. Clove water has been associated with warming effects that may encourage gentle circulation. When blood flows steadily, waste removal becomes more efficient. Another factor influencing detoxification is hydration. Water supports the transport of waste through the bloodstream. Poor sleep reduces the effectiveness of waste removal processes. Heavy late-night meals may overload the digestive system, reducing efficiency in waste transport. Movement during the day supports the organs responsible for eliminating toxins. Morning puffiness or swelling sometimes reflects fluid imbalance from the previous night. And this leads to another surprising factor, how blood sugar behaves overnight and how it affects morning energy. In the next part, we will explore this connection in greater detail. Blood sugar levels continue changing during sleep. The body uses stored energy to maintain vital functions overnight. A woman once noticed she woke feeling shaky or unusually hungry. She believed it was normal hunger, but after adjusting her evening routine and maintaining balanced meals, her mornings became more stable. Stable circulation supports balanced energy delivery during the night. Clove water has been included in traditional routines where warmth and digestion support were desired. Blood sugar stability depends heavily on evening nutrition. Heavy sugary snacks before bed may disrupt overnight balance. Hydration supports energy transport through the bloodstream. Hormones released overnight influence how energy is used. Repeated unstable mornings may reflect blood sugar fluctuations. Balanced evening habits support smoother energy transitions overnight. And this brings us to another overlooked factor, how blood influences heart workload during sleep. In the next part, we will examine this connection more closely. Even during sleep, the heart continues working. Its workload changes depending on blood pressure, circulation, and fluid balance. A man once shared that he occasionally woke with a racing heartbeat at night. After adjusting hydration and evening habits, these episodes became less frequent. Blood consistency affects how hard the heart must pump. Thicker blood requires more effort to circulate. Clove water has been linked to warming properties that may support gentle circulation. Relaxed blood vessels reduce strain on the heart. Sleep posture influences circulation patterns. Stress hormones may increase nighttime heart workload. Regular routines support predictable heart rhythms. And this leads to another hidden factor, how inflammation inside the blood may build silently over time. In the next part, we will explore how this affects long-term health. Inflammation is one of the most overlooked factors affecting blood health. It often develops quietly without obvious symptoms. A woman once noticed persistent swelling in her fingers. She ignored it for years until routine changes helped reduce the discomfort. Inflammation can narrow blood vessels over time. Balanced circulation helps reduce internal strain. Clove compounds have been discussed for their role in supporting internal balance. Stress increases inflammatory signals. Poor sleep also contributes to inflammatory responses. Hydration helps dilute inflammatory markers. Repeated swelling may indicate internal imbalance. Long-term inflammation influences many body systems. And now we arrive at the most important part, understanding how all these changes connect together and what simple habits matter most. By now, it becomes clear that blood is never truly at rest. Even while you sleep, it continues working, carrying oxygen, nutrients, and signals that keep your body alive. What you do in the evening shapes how effectively these processes occur overnight. Clove water, like many traditional remedies, works best when combined with balanced habits. It is not a miracle solution, but a supportive element within a larger routine. Small choices repeated daily often create the biggest long-term effects. Think about the patterns discussed throughout this video: circulation, oxygen delivery, pressure regulation, nutrient repair, and waste removal. Each of these processes depends on steady blood movement. Many people wait until symptoms appear before making changes, but prevention begins long before discomfort becomes obvious. Supporting your blood overnight means supporting every organ that depends on it. Even small improvements in hydration, nutrition, and rest may influence how efficiently your blood performs its tasks. The body responds to consistency more than sudden effort. And now, before you leave, think about this carefully. Which of these nighttime habits surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments below. I read every single one, and your experience might help someone else recognize early signs they've been ignoring. If this video helped you understand your body better, share it with someone you care about. One share could help protect someone's health before symptoms appear. And if you want to keep learning how simple natural habits affect your organs, the blood, heart, kidneys, brain, and more, make sure you subscribe and stay connected. Because the next video may reveal something your body has been trying to tell you for years.